In symbol design, it is important to set up terminal label and symbol label alignment correctly, because the text displayed in the schematics may be shorter or longer than the text visible during symbol creation. When creating terminals using PT, the text object embedded in the terminal, showing the terminal's name, is left aligned. This is shown when the text meter layer is turned on. The purple-red L-shaped marking indicates that the origin of the terminal's label is in the bottom left corner, and the text is going to grow to the right. For the terminals on the left side of the symbol, this means longer text will overlap with the symbol body. The proper solution for this problem is mirroring the terminal object in the left-right direction. This moves the origin to the bottom right, which makes the text grow to the left, away from the symbol body. Symbol labels are plain text objects, often placed within the symbol body. Similar considerations apply, with the alignment inverted. Text placed near the left side of the symbol should grow to the right, while text near to the right side should be mirrored to grow left. If the symbol has a sloped shape, like an op-amp's triangle, it is hard to place a terminal so that it ends on the 4K grid and also touches the sloped line of the symbol. The cheapest solution is to place the terminal a bit away, at 4K grid, and then use the line tool with a denser grid to bridge the gap. A more elegant solution is to draw a longer terminal. Using the hotkey PT is quick but not flexible and produces a fixed length line. To get a terminal with a different length, the terminal should be constructed from scratch. Draw a line, starting with the 4K grid to make sure the starting point falls on our conventional terminal grid. While in the line tool, make the grid denser so the line can end on the symbol's sloped line. Select the line and convert it into a terminal. Click at the 4K grid aligned end of the line for terminal origin. This will create a new group object for the terminal, moves the line into that group, and also creates a text object within the group that displays the terminal group's name attribute. The terminal label ended up horizontal, while a vertical text would look better. Unfortunately, it is not possible to reach the text object for editing directly on the drawing, as it is embedded in the terminal group. However, sch-rnd has a tree view dialog that shows the structure of the drawing and reaches all objects in all groups. Our terminal is group 14, and it contains a line and a text object. Click on the text object and on the Prop Edit button. This invokes the property editor for the terminal label. Find the text property called rot and change it to 90. This will leave the origin in place but rotates the text by 90 degrees. Now that we have a terminal of the right length, it is easy to copy it to provide the low side power terminal. Make sure to use the 4K grid for terminal placement. As a next step, not included in this video, the same tree view method can be used to change the rotation and mirroring of the VN's label so that it's readable from the right but grows towards the bottom.